Hey, Ron Janish here. I'm going to take a look at a couple of different techniques that'll probably give you, a dozen or so trades a year. And the nice thing about it is you don't have to watch the market a lot to find them. And you'll see what I mean in a moment. Okay, so if you go back to here, this point in time, okay, you could go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you say, well, yes, I have an EP. 2, 3, okay, and there, okay, so there you have a single EP, and then here, surprise, recently you had 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, another EP, okay, and they're both low EPs, okay. Now, when you get this type of a pattern, when they're right next to each other, you will often get a very powerful reversal that will last, 5 to 25% in price, and away you go. Okay, and as you can see here, I have a few positions on, and so we'll have to wait and see how this works out. Okay, now these, if you watch the market for these double PEPs that are in the same direction, you're only going to get a few a year, maybe 4 or 5 or so a year of those. All right, so you really want something else, something that'll give you maybe another 5, 10 trades a year, right? While you're looking at EPs, what the heck, right? So let's take a look at this. Here's kind of fun. Let's look at hogs. Okay, so if we take a look at the hogs, we can see here that if we use this as the 5, which is an equal or lower low than the low here, and here's your 4, 3, 2. So here's your up slanting line, and here's your down slanting line of your EP. And then notice that when you draw your ML, price do a nice little H bounce. Okay, so you watch for the EP, and then you watch for the H bounce area. And see how this gets you up for a nice move in a third wave type pattern? Okay. Let's see another example of this. That would be probably a little bit clearer. And that would be in the, here we go. There we go, right in here. And so here you have your 5, 4, 3, and 2, 1. And so here you have your downsloping 2P. Here you have your upsloping. And so take a look at this. So had you drawn your line here, let's get rid of the other one. You probably would have had a failure because prices made it to new highs. Okay, so prices need to go outside of here and then back inside again. Okay, now we didn't use this one as the entry because that made new highs. So instead, okay, so you had you had your 5, and then they made the nice little move down, came back up for a nice correction, hung out outside the H, and down she went. Let's see another example of this. Okay, here we go. Here we have 5, 4, 8, 2, 1, and we've down sloping 2P line here, up sloping here, prices come down. Did I draw that wrong? Oh, I drew it wrong perfectly, yes. There we go, let's try this. Oh, no. There we go. See how prices went outside, okay? And it came back inside and boom, down we went. Nice third wave to the downside. Now, in addition to using this for an entry after you see the EP pattern, the other thing you can use is what's called the Babson reversal lines. Okay, and let's see an example of where that was used. There we go. No, it wasn't. Was it in that? No. I used it in here. Okay, so you have your Babson reversal lines. Boom. Here's your EP. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. Okay, and that there also helps me to find an entry point for a move, some kind of pattern that gives me 10, 12 trades a year. All right. Let's take a look. Where else? Here's another one that's looking all right. There we go. I just finally went this long, this guy today. And this one, when she went down and stopped, it stopped down at the Babson reversal line. So put away. And if you want more info on the Babson reversal lines, that is covered in the expanded course. Okay. Let's take a look at some other places where there's EPs right now. Because what you'll find is that, yes, they do exist quite a bit. Let's take a look. So any time you see a 4D on here, that's usually because you have an EP pattern. Okay, I like the label that. So you have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, so you have your down-sloping line, 3P, up-sloping 2P. All right. Let's see if we can find this elsewhere. Here we go. Here's coffee. So here you had your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is the 4D. So up she went and down we goes. Okay. It's your coffee. Let's see where else. Oh, yes, we presently have an EP pattern in copper. Okay, so I have a limit order down here, but that's really a fake order. Just so you know, I do that for reasons of keeping track of certain charts. And I usually make it so that it's far, far away. See, make it even further away. So where's your EP? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's see, where else is there an EP right now? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here's your 4. I really should have a 4D over here. Let's probably label this. Okay, and this one is not tradable using that H-bounce, and I'll show you why. Because if I draw a line from here, if I draw my median line, see how it's up slanted? It's not going to work. So let's leave that alone. Okay, let's see what else. I have sugar. Did I show sugar? No, I didn't. Okay, so we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can see that this high This high here exceeded this one here. So we have the EP pattern now. And in this one here, we're not going to use an H bounce because it just doesn't make sense yet. If this makes new lows, which I think is very possible, then it might be possible to use that H bounce pattern. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see. Let's see, what else do we have? Did we look at copper? Yes, we looked at copper. Okay, so just to show you, there's lots of EP patterns around, and they can work out rather nicely. Anyway, thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.